Most fans just sit in one corner of the room and blow air in one direction or just oscillate left to right. But what if a fan could actually circulate air around the entire room, follow it where you point it, and even switch between a tabletop fan and a pedestal fan in seconds? Well, that's exactly what DREO is trying to do here with the TurboPoly Fan 765S, and after using it for a while, it's definitely one of the more interesting fans I've tested, so let's take a look at what this thing can do. Now straight away, the first thing that stood out to me is just how versatile the design is, because this isn't simply a pedestal fan, it's actually a two-in-one design that can be used as either a tabletop fan or as a full pedestal fan depending on where you need it, making it suitable for any room. Now switching between the two is incredibly simple, and I can see this being really useful for a lot of different situations. As a tabletop fan, it's perfect for a desk, a bedside table, studio setup, or a gaming room, but then if you want more room coverage, you can extend it to a full pedestal fan with an adjustable height ranging from 39 to 44 inches. Now we also like that the tabletop legs automatically unfold, so you don't need to mess around with tools or complicated setup every time you change a configuration, and I find myself using it as a tabletop fan in the office so I can have it close to me, and then a pedestal fan in the front room when I'm watching TV. Now once you've got it set up, this is where things get really impressive, because this fan moves a serious amount of air. DREO calls it the Turbo Wind technology, and it's capable of delivering up to 1500 CFM of airflow, air speeds of up to 29 foot a second, and it reaches up to 120 feet, and honestly, you can feel it. Now even from the other side of the room, you're still getting noticeable airflow, which is exactly what you want from a circulation fan. And in fact, DREO says it's capable of circulating the air in an entire room in under a minute, and obviously, while I haven't got a lab set up to verify that myself, it certainly feels much more powerful than a standard fan. The airflow is incredibly focused and reaches much further than I expected. But what makes this different from a lot of other powerful fans is how well it distributes that airflow, because instead of simply blowing air in one direction or just left to right, the TurboPoly 765S features full 3D oscillation. We get up to 150 degrees of horizontal oscillation and then 100 degrees of vertical oscillation, and this means it's constantly moving the air around the room rather than just blasting one area, and that's where this becomes much more of an air circulation rather than a traditional fan. And one of my favorite features and something I've never seen before in a fan is MotionSync, and honestly, this is one of the features that sounds a bit gimmicky until you actually use it. The remote contains a built-in gyroscope, and this means you simply point the remote where you want the airflow to go, and then the fan follows your movement. So instead of pressing buttons repeatedly trying to find that exact right angle, you literally just hold the button and set it to the position. It's surprisingly intuitive, and once you've used it a few times, it feels like the obvious way that fans should work. Now of course, if you prefer, you can still use the normal oscillation modes and manually position it however you want, and you can have the fan oscillate both horizontally and vertically at the same time. Now another area where DREO has clearly focused is the smart control. Of course, you can control with the touch buttons on the fan itself, or you can use the provided remote control, but you can also control everything directly from the DREO app, and this gives you access to all of the settings remotely. Whether you're adjusting the fan speed, oscillation, airflow direction, or timers, you can do it all from your phone without moving. Now the main screen shows us the fan, and from here you can simply turn it on or off. You can enter the fan settings and switch between standard, turbo, or a custom mode, and you can choose the fan mode or manually set the fan speed with the slider. You can enable or disable the oscillation for both vertical and horizontal, and even drill into this to control the exact angle you want. Now there's also more settings like sound or display on or off, and then we've also got the calibrations. Now you can also set the fan to turn off after a certain time in the app, or even just set your own custom schedules for on and off, so you can set this even by day and have it come on or off at certain times. Now we've also got the room temperature, and you can press on this to see a graph of the temperature over the day or even over the month. And for those already invested in a smart home setup, it also works with Google Home and Amazon Alexa, so you can also control it using voice commands as well. Now in terms of day-to-day use, what I found is that the fan isn't really about creating a strong breeze directly on you at all times, it's more about improving the airflow throughout the entire room. So for example, if you've got no air conditioning or just a warm room, the circulation helps move that air around much more effectively than just a standard oscillating fan. Because of the amount of airflow it produces, it can cover spaces that would normally require multiple smaller fans. Now the build quality is also really good. It feels sturdy, premium, and modern, and the design fits nicely into pretty much any room without drawing too much attention to itself. And because you can switch between tabletop and pedestal modes, it feels like you're effectively getting two products in one. For unboxing and setup, it's nice and easy, and we first got the remote control, which does come with batteries. We've then got the remote holder that clips onto the fan. We've got the plug, and of course, mine is UK as I live in the UK. We've then got the screw for the base of the fan, the top of the pedestal, the bottom of the pedestal, the desk stand, the fan itself, and then finally the base. To set up the pedestal, you just connect the two pieces together and screw it onto the base, and you're pretty much good to go. And of course, if you want it on a desk, you just pop the fan out of the top of the pedestal and use the desk stand instead. So overall, I think the DREO TurboPoly Fan 765S is a really clever take on what a modern smart fan should be. You've got powerful airflow with up to 1500 CFM output, air speeds reaching 29 feet per second with a range of up to 120 feet, full 150-degree horizontal and 100-degree vertical oscillation, MotionSync control, smart app control, Alexa and Google Home support, and the flexibility of both tabletop and pedestal configurations, all in a single product, which makes it powerful, versatile, and genuinely innovative. Now, of course, I've placed a link down in the description below if you want to check out the DREO TurboPoly Fan 765S for yourselves, and hopefully I've covered everything in today's video. But if there is anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.